If you want to migrate easy digital downloads discount codes to another site, or you want to create or update hundreds of discount codes by importing them from a CSV file to WordPress, in this video you'll see how to do it in a quick and easy way. To do this, we'll use the WP Sheet Editor Post Types plugin, which allows you to view and manage all your posts, pages or post types as discount codes. You can bulk edit hundreds of discount codes, perform advanced searches with a few clicks, export and import discount codes using CSV files, and more. Also, we need to install the WP Sheet Editor Easy Digital Downloads Pro extension to add full compatibility between both plugins. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to visit our written guide. To start, we need to configure the spreadsheet for Easy Digital Downloads discount codes. To do this, we go to the Setup Spreadsheet section in WP Sheet Editor. Then we select the EDD discount post type, but if you don't see it, enter this key here. And add it. Now we need to choose which columns will be displayed in the spreadsheet and which will not. When we're done choosing, we'll save the changes to generate the spreadsheet. After setting up the spreadsheet, we'll see all the discount codes displayed on it. Before exporting our codes, we may need to filter them so that we export only the ones we need. For example, let's say we want to export only the coupon codes which minimum purchase amount is $10. To do this, open the search tool. Now tick the Enable Advanced Filters checkbox. Look for the field Discount Min Price. Leave the equal operator. Here we need to enter the minimum order total. And run the search. After we have filtered the coupon codes, we can export them to a CSV file. To do this, we'll open the Export tool. Here, you have to select the columns you want to export. In this case, we'll export all active columns. We'll export all the rows from my current search. Optionally, select the app you'll use to edit the CSV file. And download the file to your computer. This is what our Easy Digital Download discount coupons look like once they've been downloaded to our computer in a CSV file. Now you can apply all the changes you want here, add new discount codes, delete codes, and so on. When you're done, you'll be ready to import the CSV into a new site, or back to the same WordPress site. Just remember to save the file if you're working with Excel, but in this case we'll have to download the file, since we've edited it with Google Sheets. Once the CSV file is ready, let's import it using the Import tool. Here, select the source of the document, in this case the computer. Choose the CSV file that you'll import. And hit Next. Select to import all the columns. Here, select to create new items and update existing items. Then you'll be prompted to enter a column from your CSV file in a WordPress field so that the new information can be entered into the correct coupon code. In this case, we'll select Record ID here, and ID here. And click Next to go on. Now we can see a preview of how the information will look once it's imported. If everything is okay, click here to start the import process. As you can see, the coupon codes have been imported and the changes were correctly applied. Exporting and importing Easy Digital Downloads discount codes is really simple with WP Sheet Editor. Remember that in the video description you'll find the links to download the plugin and to see our written guide. We have live chat support and a blog with hundreds of tutorials if you need help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.